Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Showstar Hour again with another beautiful video for you guys. So I have an LE Forte. Um, I have to pass inspection on this vehicle, so I needed to get pads front and back. I need to get an alignment for this vehicle. You see the tires already cracked out. I need to change this from here, and I have to address these two codes: system to lean, high, low, bank one, coolant temperature below threshold. But I believe if you fix that one, the other one will go away with no problem. So that's the two things that I'm going to be addressing today. And I'm going to pick this wheel up so I can see if I need lower control arm, upper control arm, bone joint, and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you like notification of this, subscribe. If you like videos like this, subscribe. It will help me out the use of algorithm and my channel. So that's all being said. Bless you all. Thank you, guys. Have fun.